So where's the lookalike?
I'm the lookalike.
Why do they say we look alike? Like really? Why?
I think it's the side cheekbone that you have. Like
I don't know. They always think we're
think-
sisters. I'm just here like, so let me just get her to really look like me.
I want to look like her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MC. If you guys don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante.
My name is Ufuma Elisami. I am here. This is good.
Yeah, I have today with me my friend. Her name is Ufoma, and she's from Edo State. I'm from Ogo State.
Delta State.
Okay, she's from Delta State, and I am from Ogo State. But oftentimes, people ask if we're sisters.
Yeah.
They actually say that we look alike, and so I thought I should just transform her into myself. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look on my friend and how we got to actually be more than friends and actually sisters for a day.
Ever.
So tell me guys, do we really look alike?
We look alike.
Do we really look alike? Turn this side. The other side. Come on, you don't have to do We'll do it like this.
So bad.
And like this. Yeah,
Okay.
Like this. And the other way. So tell me, do we really look alike? We would love to hear from you in the comment section. And if you really like to see how we achieved this green halo eyes, then keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to be outlining our brows with the by.bmo brow power. And I'm going to be using the Zaran pencil to fill in the beginning part. So I'm going to be cleaning up the brows with some concealer. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend out all of this concealer. I'm going to be taking the by.bmo 35 color galaxy palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here, putting that on the crease. So I'm just building this up in our crease and our transition space. Next, I'm going to be using the NYX double pencil in milk, and I'm just patting this on. After I apply it like this, I'll then use my hands or my fingers to actually blend it out. Now I'm going to be taking this green shade from the same palette that we have been using, this one right here. I'm going to be packing this on the outer corner and on the inner. To blend both the transition color and the green color together, I'm going to be taking this deep red color here and a small fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend. And after taking that color, I'll take the same fluffy brush, going into that green, and just use that to also blend so that the colors can marry into each other. Now taking the first blending brush that I used, I'm going to use that to blend the corners, the outer corner. I'm going to be using some concealer to outline where I want the middle color to be. Now I'm going to wet my brush with some setting spray. And then I'm going to go into this pigment from Alpha. It's like a silvery pigment, and I'm just going to be packing that in the middle part. I'm going to go back into that green color, and I'm just going to blend out the beginning of the silver color to the green color. And I'm going to go back into the blending brush that I used earlier and just blend the crease together. And at this point, I'm taking the first blending brush that I used, and I'm just going to use that to blend all the transition colors together. Now for the brow bone area, I'm going to take this color from the BMO palette, and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer. Priming with the Zaran Face Primer. Going in with the Haga & Esther Photo Perfect Foundation. I'm going to be using the Zaran concealer. This is in the shade medium to highlight her face. Because she has a very wide nose, we are going to try to make it slim. See, she's trying to look like me. So I'm just turning to the reverse side and just using that to blend the outer corner of the concealer. And remember, that side is the side we used for the foundation, so it's going to make you blend easy. Just to avoid under eyes from creasing, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to use that to set her under eyes right away. To contour our face, I'm using the Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Ebony Brown. I'm just going to pinch the brush. So we just made her nose very slim to look like mine. To set the contour, I'm using my Maybelline powder in Cacao. So I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and then I'll be lining our under eye or waterline with that. So I'm going to take the green that I used earlier and just to smudge our under eye. And I'm going to be applying the pigment in the middle part. For mascara, I'm using the Zaran Cosmetics Lengthening Mascara. Now to dust off everything, I'm going to be using the Zaran Maxi Blend Compact Powder. For lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop's lip pencil. This is in the shade Notion. And pairing it with the Zaran Matte Lip Stain in the shade Whipped. Yeah. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So this is my MAC blush in Breezy. So lastly, we're just going to be using the Nuban Silhouette Makeup Setting Spray, and I'm just going to be spraying my face with that. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned one or two things. You loved how I recreated this look and you actually like the finished look. If you already subscribed to my channel, you know I was going to get there. Why don't you just click on that subscribe button and just be part of the family? Yes, guys, we recently just hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is like a major milestone for me. It might not look like a lot to you, but trust me, to me, that's like major. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
So till I come your way next time in my next video.
Bye.